Hello there. Everybody's excited right now about the release of DaVinci Resolve 18, but you really shouldn't be upgrading anytime soon. Let's talk about why. Welcome back. This is Fuzzee Tutorials, and I'm Fuzzee D. First, let's take a quick look. You'll see there's a ton of new videos out about DaVinci Resolve 18. Lots of excitement and drama. And yes, it does look really good. And yes, I will be upgrading at some point. However, I was here for the big upgrade from version 16 to version 17. I made the mistake of upgrading when the beta came out. Then I had to suffer through all kinds of problems as things got broken and lots of stuff not working. Wound up losing a contract over it. If you are going to give it a try, make sure you back up your database first before installing it. Back up your other tools as well, put them in a safe place, and then you can give it a try. And if you run into problems, you can always restore. I really wouldn't recommend upgrading. Now, even though when you go to Blackmagic's site, you know, it's right top dead center. They're really excited about a lot of the new features in it, and well, they should be. It's going to be a great product. Remember, it's still in beta. It says right here in big letters, download public beta. Now, you might be thinking, well, are they really having that many problems with this? Well, let's take a look. We're going to go to the Blackmagic forum for DaVinci Resolve, and this is for the DaVinci 18 public beta. So look at all the stuff that's on here. Some of it looks like there are some pretty serious issues. You know, a lot of these are just questions, you know, how do I do this? How do I do that? But most of them are issues of one kind or another. Some of these are getting some real serious amount of views, which tells you that a lot of people are having that issue, so they're taking a look. And if you look down here, you can see where it says 138 topic. We've got 6 pages, and each page is 25 on a page. So, and it's only been out just a few days, and we've already got all these issues going on. This is the problem with products that are released into public beta. There's gonna be a lot of issues that are gonna come up that they didn't find in testing. You know, I used to do a lot of programming myself, and it doesn't matter how careful you are, how good of a programming team you have, you're going to run into issues. It's just the nature of the beast, especially on a product this complex. Now, they have rewritten huge sections of DaVinci Resolve for this new version. They've written a complete new render engine, for instance. And once again, they made changes to the database, so when you install it, it's going to upgrade your database to the new version, and then you can't go back unless you've made a backup of it first that you can restore. I'm not going to belabor it. This is just my friendly advice. I went through this with version 17. I really think if you're doing production work, editing videos for your YouTube channel, you just don't want to be sidelined by unexpected issues cropping up. So I really recommend that you do not upgrade to version 18 until they release the full public standard release, where they're saying this is a stable release. That's usually going to mean 18.1.0. So I would definitely wait until at least 18.1 before you seriously look at upgrading to DaVinci 18. So I've got a new series of videos coming out. So I just had a major crash on my system here. I had some real issues to get through to get back up and running properly. I was able to back up my data in amongst all that, but there were some real problems, and I came across and put together some really good tools so that this won't happen in the future. So I've got a whole series of videos coming out on different aspects of that. Valuable tech tools that everybody should have. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss when those come out. If you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll see you next time, my friends.